Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Charge the case and earbuds to at least half so resets complete reliably. Once done, place both earbuds into the case and close the lid for a few seconds to ensure they connect to the charger. Make sure to turn off Bluetooth on your phone and remove or forget the Boult Airbass from paired devices so the earbuds can clear old pairings. These steps prevent interruptions and let the reset restore factory pairing data cleanly and consistently. Now perform the reset. Open the charging case with both earbuds inside and press, and hold both touch controls simultaneously for about 8 to 12 seconds. You need to watch the LED behavior. Typically an alternating red and white blink or a rapid flash indicates factory reset is in progress, which clears stored pairings. Keep holding until you see the final reset pattern, then release, close the lid, and wait about 5 seconds. This ensures internal memory is wiped, and the earbuds finish by repairing. Open the case to put earbuds into pairing mode, then enable Bluetooth on your phone and tap Boult Airbass from the device list. Test audio and microphone. Make sure both sides connect and volumes are balanced, and update firmware if the Boult app offers one. If something goes wrong, repeat the reset once more, fully discharge and recharge the case and earbuds, and try again. If issues persist, contact Boult support. That troubleshooting tip solves most lingering connection or sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.